Real money bingo apps generally require some form of identity or payment verification before allowing cash withdrawals, so a legitimate app promising completely unrestricted withdrawals with zero verification deserves extra scrutiny. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking in 2026, what verification they may require, and how to avoid confusing no verification to play with no verification to withdraw. Bingo Cash takes the first spot. It offers competitive bingo tournaments where eligible players can win cash prizes. You may be able to play without completing every withdrawal requirement first, but cashing out can require account or payment verification. Check the withdrawal section before depositing. Bingo Clash ranks second. Topanari. The app uses head-to-head bingo matches and offers cash competitions to eligible players. Avia Games lists PayPal as a supported withdrawal method for eligible users. Payment verification or identity checks can still apply when you request a cash withdrawal. Blackout Bingo comes in third. Its speed-based bingo format includes free games and paid cash tournaments. You can start playing without necessarily completing every cash-out step, but that doesn't mean withdrawals are verification-free. Review the current withdrawal requirements before entering a paid tournament. Big Cash Bingo takes 4th place. Bring It On Games describes it as a skill-based bingo game, offering free play and real money competitions. Its listed payment methods include PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for eligible users. Payment details may need to be confirmed before a withdrawal can be processed. Bingo Blishy rounds out the list. Avia Games offers free ticket matches and cash matches, with eligible cash winnings available through supported withdrawal methods. Account eligibility and withdrawal requirements can apply when you move from free play to real money cashouts. The key distinction is UI playing versus withdrawing. An app may let you create an account, claim a promotion, or play free games without immediately requesting identification. That doesn't mean the app will send real money to PayPal or another payment method without checking your account. Before depositing, open the withdrawal page and look for identity verification requirements, payment verification, minimum cash out rules, and supported payment methods. Also avoid any service that asks you to bypass identity checks or offers to withdraw money through someone else's payment account. Those shortcuts can create account and payment problems. So the 5 apps to check are Buy Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Big Cash Bingo, and Bingo Blishy. If your priority is avoiding unnecessary verification, check the requirements before playing for cash rather than waiting until you've already won. For legitimate real money apps, verification is usually part of protecting the account and processing withdrawals. If this helped you compare bingo apps, like the video and subscribe for more real money app rankings.